In this video, we're going to look at an activity 5.5.3, and it's called Performing an Initial Switch. And the objective of this is to perform an initial configuration of a Cisco Catalyst 2960 switch. And for that, we will configure the following: hostname, console password, VTY password, privilege exec mode password, privilege exec mode secret, IP address on VLAN 1 interface, and default gateway. So let's get started. Look at the first one, and we're going to actually go to the customer PC, and we're going to use the connection cables, and we're going to use the console cable to connect the customer PC to the customer switch. On how to do that, we'll just go down to here to this connection picture, click on it, and we're going to scroll over to the blue line. It's called console. Click it, and from the PC all the way to the customer switch, or just console. Okay. And then the next thing what we're going to do is go down to click into the PC customer, go to desktop, terminal, press OK, and press enter to get started. For in the switch, we want to enable we're going to enable the password. Just click here and type in EN, and then we're going to configure terminal, conf T for short, and here we want to put in the host name customer switch. Okay. Now we're going to enable password Cisco. Okay. Right here. So we're just going to type that in. From here we want to enable the secret. So enable secret, and the secret password is Cisco 123. Enter. And we'll just do. Now we want to configure the console password here, and then we're going to use the customer switch and do the line console 0. From there we want to do the password Cisco. And then for requirement, we're just going to log in and then exit. Make sure you have them on separate lines. Okay. Should be on the customer switch. Okay. Customer switch config looks good. We're going to configure the VTY password for this step. So I'm going to type in line VTY 015, and then we'll just do this next steps: password Cisco, login, and exit. Okay, so far so good. Now let's look at next step: configuring the default gateway. Okay, so what we're going to do is put in the IP address, the default gateway. So to do that, yeah. And then we're going to do a shutdown. And then from here we will exit. So far we'll look at that. Now we want to configure IP default gateway 2.168.1.1, enter, and okay. Okay. Alright, that looks good. So just checking everything. We're trying to get 100% here, and we're going to type in, we're going to actually ping. What's this to ping? First one to two pings may fail. Okay. Saying it's probably going to fail the first time we ping, but we'll try again if it does. Okay, so we're going to ping an IP address of 209.165.201.10. Ping that. And showing us we have a success rate of 80%. This says 60. I'm going to go with the 80 instead. And what we really want to do is get 100%. So to do that, we'll ping it again. What you can do to reping, you can actually up arrow on your keyboard. Just push up arrow once. Saves the last thing you've pushed, and then press enter. And looks like we got a success rate of 100%. Looks good. Now we will, I think that's it. Since we got 100%, we can call this video good, and thanks for watching.